In this video, I'm going to show you how to reconcile in GnuCash. Now, you actually have two ways to do this. The first one is if you go inside any of your accounts here. For example, if you go into current assets and then check an account here, you can see whenever you basically click on any of these, there's like a reconcile button up top. You can click on that and you can do it from here. That's the first way. But the second one is if you are inside your accounts in general, you can go to actions up top, and then in here you can see a reconcile button in the middle. When you click on that here, you can go ahead and enter in the statement date as well as your ending balance. And whenever you do that, of course, make sure everything is correctly typed in here. And if it's correct, click on OK, and you'll get this assets reconcile. And in here, you can go through every single one of these and then reconcile them if, of course, they're good, and then unreconcile them if you make mistakes, for example, like that. And you can just do that. And of course, that way you'll be able to reconcile in GnuCash. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.